So today I'm going to tell you about Alzheimer disease. So it is the most common cause of dementia in older adults. It is a neurodegenerative disorder and is a type of dementia. So its definition is a progressive neurodegenerative disease characterized by gradual memory loss, cognitive decline and change in behavior and personality. So this topic is from first aid. Its pathophysiology is neuronal loss and atrophy, especially in hippocampus. Early involvement cause memory loss. So basically, widespread cortical atrophy and especially in hippocampus, narrowing of gyri and widening of sulcus. And cortex is also involved in this disease. Neurotransmitter changes occur like acetylcholine is decreased. Abnormal protein accumulations, extracellular beta amyloid plaques, intracellular neurofibrillary tangles made of hyperphosphorylated tau protein. So amyloid precursor protein is located in chromosome number 21. So it is related to Down syndrome. Down syndrome is due to because of the abnormality in chromosome number 21, and in Alzheimer disease chromosome number 21 is affected. So because of amyloid precursor protein that is present on chromosome number 21, so Alzheimer disease and Down syndrome is related in this way. The next thing is histology. On histology, we can see the cortical atrophy, especially in temporal, parietal, and hippocampal region. Ventricles are enlarged, and there is senile plaques, alpha beta deposits with surrounding dystrophic nucleides. And there are neurofibrillary tangles, hyperphosphorylated tau correlate with disease severity. Genetics. Early onset is familial form APP genes, that is amyloid precursor gene on chromosome number 21 seen in Down syndrome, and with this presenilin 1 and presenilin 2 mutation also occur. In late onset ApoE4 allele increased risk of Alzheimer disease, and ApoE2 has a protective effect. In clinical feature, early manifestation is memory loss, especially short-term disorientation. Later aphasia, apraxia, agnosia, personality and behavioral changes. Aphasia, the person is inability to utter words, and there are also personality and behavioral changes as patient lost memory, and he seems agitative due to this behavior. Advanced clinical features are total dependence and loss of basic functions. So the diagnosis is mainly on clinical progressive cognitive decline, MRI on CT, cortical and hippocampal atrophy. Definitive diagnosis is postpartum histopathology. Plaques and tangles are seen on histopathology. And the treatment is only symptomatic. There is no cure for Alzheimer disease because it is a progressive disease. We give cholinesterase inhibitors like donepezil, rivastigmine, galantamine, and NMDA receptor antagonist, memantine for moderate to severe Alzheimer disease, and supportive care and caregiver support. So what we have studied about Alzheimer disease, that it is the most common cause of dementia in older adults. Advanced age is the strongest risk factor, and Down syndrome patients have increased risk of developing early onset Alzheimer disease as APP, amyloid precursor protein, is located in chromosome number 21. So also there is decrease in acetylcholine in brain associated with the following with the altered proteins like ApoE decreases the risk of Alzheimer disease, E2 and E4 increases the risk of sporadic form. And on histology, we can see that widespread cortical atrophy, especially hippocampus, narrowing of gyri and sulci, widening of sulci, senile plaques in gray matter, extracellular beta amyloid core may cause amyloid angiopathy, and there are also neurofibrillary tangles. And one more thing that I have forgot, Hirano bodies, intracellular eosinophilic proteinaceous rods in hippocampus. So this is all about Alzheimer disease, that is a neurodegenerative disorder and a form of dementia. Thank you so much.